Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick comparison review between these two podcasting platform, which is Restream and Zencastr. So we're going to dive into it, try to analyze the different and the pros and cons about these two podcasting platforms. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Restream is ideal for podcasters who also love live podcasting. It lets you stream to multiple platforms at once, manage guests easily, and even had branded layout. It's fast, simple, and great for live shows. However, it lacks deep audio tools and post-production features, which can be a drawback for audio-focused creators. Talking about Zencastr, on the other hand, is built purely for high-quality podcast recording. It offers separate audio and video track, AI post-production, and easy remote interview. But it's not designed for live streaming, which limits the versatility. So in my conclusion, Restream wins for live, interactive podcast, while Zencastr is better for polished, studio quality recording. And that's it. I'll find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more review. And you can as well let me know in the comment section what you think about the two podcasting tools. And that's it.